Hey, Follow-Up family. We have a new report that I'm excited to share with you called the Executive Overview Report. This is basically one report to rule them all. It combines your bid list, your report, and your won contracts, as well as activities. This Executive Overview Report was intended to be utilized in sales meetings so that you can quickly see an individual or a team and where everybody's ranking. So I'm just going to pull a report, let's say last quarter across the company, get report. You can also schedule report if you need to, and open this report. And I'll show you exactly what it contains. Okay, so here you can see the report. Now, this report, you're able to see an overview of the pipeline, and you can see the bid name, the contract type, products and services, account manager, estimator, sales status, base bid, gross margin, and contract amount. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see a summary of the statuses, active and hot, right? So here they are. And so you can see the count and the dollar amount, and then summaries of the report. So you can see by user, by contract type, and different things like that. So under here, you have your activities. How many activities did we complete as a team? How many activities are late? And then here is a contracts report. And then here as well are your summaries of that report, as well as additional summaries that you can dive deeper into. Now, this report, as you can tell, might be a pretty big report for you. So what we've done is we've broken out this report into two tabs as well. It's the same information. So here is your pipeline with some summaries, and then your contracts report with summaries. So this is basically one report that combines some of the more popular reports that are utilized weekly within Followup CRM. Happy selling.